Hi, Catherine. Sitting outside, taking a lunch break from work. I've got some Greek yogurt and cereal and a Diet Coke, my typical, I would never buy this, but I eat it when my parents buy it food, which reminds me of being home. So I've loved the weather since I've been back, and so of course I'm sitting outside. I've been spending as much time as I can enjoying the outside. I've been spending a lot of time on these benches to give you a little bit of a view. And under the grape arbor that my dad built, the grapes are ripening right now, so a couple times a day I come out and grab a big giant handful of that, so which is wonderful. It's the best ever. There's also occasionally some raspberries, and there's some tomatoes and other things, so that's great. I just watched a really interesting TED Talk, Brene Brown, on vulnerability, which my pastor sent it to me, and I was like, oh, that doesn't sound familiar. But then when I watched it, I realized I had watched it before, actually right before I left for Indonesia. And it was good to see it again. It was really interesting point on what happy and fulfilled people do as opposed to those who feel kind of disconnected and on the outskirts. And I think the woman who gave the talk had a kind of similar personality in some ways to me or to you, kind of person who wants to do everything right and kind of organize it all and be very effective and be very on the ball about everything, and sometimes finds it difficult to be vulnerable. So I'm going to put the link in the description, and if you want to watch it and let me know what you think about it, maybe you've seen it already too, that would be pretty cool. So it reminds me of something at the end. One of the points is that we need to believe that we are enough, and that reminds me of something my dad always said to us, especially when we were in high school, to value yourselves, especially as women and as girls. We get a lot of messages about how your value is external and given to you by somebody else, but really the start of the solution there is to really feel like you have intrinsic value, that you are enough, and that a whole bunch of wonderful things grow out of that. So today I'm just doing more work, getting a little caught up, have dinner with my parents probably, because I've been gone the last couple of nights, and then look forward to a weekend getting started with lots of friends being in town, and me being in town to see friends who live here, and a whole bunch of just fun social things. I'll get to go to church this weekend, which will be really nice. So until next time, hope you're doing great. I've been loving watching your racing videos. I hope that you get first place in the next things. I don't know how many more races you're going to do, but I'm sure you're doing great, and I'm glad you and Chris are having a great time, and that Maine is everything you expect it to be. It looks beautiful, so I'm sure that I look forward to trying to get up there one day myself. So until next time, love you. Bye.